Hello, my dear German food friends. Today I will show you how to make authentic Bavarian pretzels. Homemade fresh pretzels are one of my favorite snacks. Slathered with butter, this is true pretzel heaven. And even there is quite a bit of patience and waiting time necessary, there is very little work involved. Let me show you how to make them. Add the sugar and yeast to a stand mixer bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Mix it well and then cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and allow the mixture to sit for about 10 minutes to activate the yeast. I already mixed the flour, barley malt and salt and add it with the lard and the rest of the warm milk, and then knead it in the stand mixer for about 8 to 12 minutes. You can do this by hand too, but it will take you about 20 minutes. In the beginning, the dough will appear dry and too firm, but please don't feel tempted to add more liquid at that point. The texture will change during the kneading process. If your dough is still too firm after 3, 4, 5 minutes of kneading time, add 1 tablespoon of milk and check if the dough will be smooth enough. If not, add another tablespoon of milk, but that should be enough. Then cover the dough again with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise in a warm place for about 30 to 60 minutes or until the dough has doubled in size. After the rising time, turn the dough onto a very lightly floured working space and knead it for a couple of minutes by hand. Then shape it into a log. Divide the dough into 12 equal-sized pieces. You can do this by using a kitchen scale or just eyeball it. Pinch each dough piece to a round ball and then roll it into a smooth ball. Cover the dough balls with a piece of plastic wrap and let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Flatten each ball and fold it twice into a little log. Lightly roll the log and place it back under the cover. Allow the small logs to rest under the plastic cover for another 5 to 10 minutes. The resting time in between the shaping processes is important as the dough needs to relax so you are able to shape it. Otherwise, it would spring back and you could not shape a nice pretzel. Then roll each log into a long rope. Make sure that the rope is a little bit thicker in the middle than at the ends. And then you can shape the ropes into pretzels. Cover them for the last time with plastic wrap and allow them to rest for another 15 minutes. By the way, Bavarian pretzels don't get scored like Swabian pretzels, so you do not need to slash their little bellies. Now you need to remove the plastic wrap and refrigerate the uncovered pretzels for about 1 hour. They will get a little bit of a dry skin and that is what you want. In the meantime, you can prepare your baking soda bath. Usually in Germany a lye solution is used, but this technique is a little bit more advanced. Therefore, I will show you the easy home version in this video. If you are interested in the advanced technique, please check out our German break making class. For the baking soda bath, bring the water to a boil and carefully add the baking soda little by little. Place 1 or more pretzels with a slotted spoon into the water and let them float for about 30 seconds on each side. Remove the pretzels with a slotted spoon and place them on a well-greased or on a parchment-lined baking pan. Immediately sprinkle them with coarse salt to taste. If you wait too long, they will be too dry and the salt will not stick. Place the pretzels into the cold oven and set the temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the timer to 18 minutes and check if they are golden brown after that time. If not, add a couple of more minutes until they are golden brown. Enjoy them hand warm or cold. They are great by themselves, best with a little bit of butter, and delicious as a sandwich base. Guten Appetit!